one question on catenary that you are likely to come across over the internet is this Amazon interview question, and which is how far apart are the poles? So we are given two poles, 50 meters each, and then we have this cable hanging from it. Length of the cable is 80 meter, and this height of the minimum point from ground is 10 meter. We need to find the distance between these two poles. Now we know that any hanging cable assumes the shape of a catenary, but this question, it is not related to catenary per se. We have already discussed equation of a catenary. I'll provide the link of the catenary video in the description below, so you can check out how to work out catenary equations and half length of cable. So first what we'll do is we'll try and solve this question using normal catenary method, and then we'll see why this question is not related to catenary. So we know that any hanging cable, it assumes the shape of a catenary whose equation is given by y equals a hyperbolic cos x upon a. Say we have origin here and this distance, it is a. Now if we can write the coordinate of this point, we know that this distance is 50 minus 10, so it will be 40, and this is a, so its x coordinate is suppose x1 and its y coordinate will be a plus 40. Now this point, it lies on catenary, so we can write this equation as a plus 40 equals a hyperbolic cos x1 upon a, or from here we can write hyperbolic cos x1 upon a equals a plus 40 upon a, and that's my first equation. Now we also know the formula for half length of cable. Now formula for half length of cable is L equals a sine hyperbolic, and this is x1 upon a. Now we know that this half length, it is 40, so from here we can write hyperbolic sine x1 upon a, and this is 40 by a, and that's my second equation. Now we can eliminate hyperbolic sine and cos using hyperbolic identity, and which is hyperbolic cos square x1 upon a minus hyperbolic sine square x1 upon a, and this is 1. So now we'll put the value of hyperbolic cos x upon a, so it is a plus 40 upon a whole square minus, and this is 40 upon a whole square, and this is 1. So if we'll simplify it, we'll get a square plus 1600 plus 80a minus 1600, and this is a square. So a square will cancel, 1600 will cancel, so we'll get this value of a as 0. Now the problem is, if we'll put a as 0, we'll get this equation as y equals to 0, which is not a catenary. Basically, it is a degenerate equation of a catenary. So where lies the problem in this question? So in this question, we clearly know this equation, it doesn't represent a general catenary, but simply a point, which is y equals 0. Now, if we look at this figure again, how much is this distance? This distance is 40. It is also 40, and this half length, it is also 40. So how is it possible that this length is 40 and this length is also 40? It is only possible when these two poles, they are right next to each other, and then simply this cable is hanging between the two poles. So that means distance between these two poles, it should be 0. So answer to this question is the distance between two poles is 0, and this equation is a degenerate form of a catenary. If you like the video, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Also, the best way to navigate any topic is through a playlist. Simply go to the channel page, click playlist, and select the topic you wish to study.